Take two. I'm going to start the right side. First thing I'm going to do is take the bumper section off, and then grind it to bare metal. Some of the sanders I use: a Harbor Freight cheapo iron head. These adapters come in real handy for doing the areas in the jam. And my all-time favorite is my Rolock right angle Daco. This tool works great for getting in here. It's a 2-inch adapter with a 3-inch 80 grit 3M disc. Flexes real nice to the contours. Guys, try it next time you do a curved area. First coat of short strand fiberglass Bondo. I'll be 2 or 3 coats before I'm done. Light coats, very light. And I like to shape and sand the short strand as best as I can. Use the least amount of Bondo on top of it. That's just me. I think it's a good rule. A little bit of cheese grating. I should break this in half, but I don't want to do it. Just to get the high spots. Favorite tool, cheese grater. Last coat of short strand. 13/16 socket here. Sanding. This side's a little harder than the other side actually, but that's okay. You know, just get a socket with a contour that fits whatever you're doing. Just like a sanding block. I'm almost done, a little bit more. Waiting for a primer. I had to order some, I ran out. So I'll get that in a couple days. A little more sanding, it's just about 90% there, 95% there, so. To the next clip. Well, I finished the right side. Been done for a couple days. I'm just waiting on the primer. This side came out better than the other side. I did a couple dents on the door and on the fender too. Just some small dings. So now I got both corners done. This side needs a little more on the bottom. And I'm there. Just an update on what I've been doing. Outboards are coming, folks. The outboard motors, I haven't forgot about them.